Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will see how you can set the password for your Excel file. Same procedure is there if you are having the Word file also. So question comes in your mind, why we need to set password? So the answer is very simple. For protecting your file, for protecting the file information, you may set the password so that no one can open your file, even no one can change the information also from your file. But the thing is that you must remember the password, whatever the password you are giving, otherwise you are unable to open the file. So this is the file, suppose the name is book1. So I open this file. So here I maximize the file. This is my file and this is the information. Now I want to set password. Simply go in file option and save as option you have to select. Click on file and select save as option. Once you open this, if you want, you can change the name of file, even you can change the path, but here I don't want to change the file name. I want same file. Okay, if you want, you can give different name or you can set the location also. So but here I want the same name, and here you go in tool option. In tool option you have to select general option. So then in general options, here the first option is create backup. Right now we don't want to create backup. And here the password for opening file, here you have to set password, whatever the password is there, and that you should remember also. So whenever user open your file, this password will be asked. Password to modify means if you want no one should do the changes in your file, or no one should modify your file, then you have to set password. So I am setting the password and then click on OK. Here again it is asking the password for the confirmation. I am typing one more time. It will ask whatever the password you have set. For modification, same password you have to give. So it is just for confirmation, and then click on save button. So now here the message is coming, book1 is already exists. Click on yes, because I don't want separate file. If you want separate file, change the file name. So now here I close the file. So I use the same file book1. Once I open this file, you observe here password is asking. You have to give password whatever you have given. Then again the password for write access, write and read access. So you have to set password here. So because of that you read the message here, enter password for write access or open read only. Okay, so you have to give here correct password so that you can do modification in the file also. So after entering password, then only you can open the file. The important thing is you should remember the password. Once you forget the password, you will be not able to recover your file or open your file. Understood? So I hope friend you understood here how to set the password for protecting your file from the other user. So I hope you understood this tutorial. Thank you.